Hello student, in this class in your network security, next topic is network security model. Network security model. I will write one picture of model, network security model. I will take a message. This one I will call it as a plain text. Then secure message, that one we can call it as a ciphertext. Plain text means already I will explain you. This plain text means that one we can call it as a original data. Ciphertext means what are the information we can send, that one will be converted message. That one we can call it as converted message, that one we can call it as a ciphertext. Then we can use the information channel through we can send the information to the receiver. Then here also we can have a secure message we can send here. Then what are the information we can send here? This one is the plain text, this one is the ciphertext. Now why? Because we can this one is the coded form, then it will be converted into the plain text. It means who will be receive the information, that will be converted into original format. That format we can see it in a network security model. A message to be transferred from the source to destination across some sort of used internet. We can use the internet and we can send the information. Both side must we can cooperate from the exchange of data. We can both side also we can cooperate with the exchange of information or exchange of the data. Then what are the information we can send? Then all the technique we can provide in the security component. It means two component we can use to send the information. First one is a security related information to be sent. This one is the first component. Second one is the some secret information. Some secret information shared by two parties. Shared by two parties. It means it is the secret information is unknown to be opponent. First, what are the information we can send? This one is the one party. Then it will be go for the third party. This one is the information channel. This one is the channel means it is the network. This one is the third party, trusted third party. What are the information we can send? Go for here. Then it was moved to the next. Then so we can use the two parties. It means one is sender and the receiver. Two party will be exchange the information. Secret information is unknown to the opponent. Then basic task we can design in the particular security services. It means we can design the algorithm for performing the security related information or transformation, and generate the security information to be used. We can use the algorithm and we can exchange the information, and we can develop the method and the distributed and sharing the secret information to the use the information channel, and we can protect the opponent. It means hackers. And we can specify the protocol to be used, and two principles is make use of the security algorithm and secret information to be achieve the particular security services. What are the services we can provided here? We can security transformation related security related transformation information. It means secret information we can share to the secure message. It will be converted into, it will be go through the information channel. Trusted third party will be handle this one. Then it will be moved to the ciphertext and it will be converted into original information. This one is the sender and receiver, which is the source and the destination. Then this method we can use in a protect the anywhere message or information shared to the sender to receiver. This method we can call it as a network security model. In your network security model, we can use the two parties, sender and the receiver. Then what are the message we can send here? We can send the hello, means here also we can got the message, same message we can got hello. But what are the information we can send? Protection or security purpose we can use the plain text and then the ciphertext. What are the information we can send in a original format? That one we can secret information. That one we can convert it in a security message, secure message. Then security related information we can share here. That one will be go through the internet. That one we can call it as a trusted third party. That third party will be send the information via ciphertext and secure information will be got to the receiver. This process will be, we can go on network security model.